So I picked up this little silver ring the other day and I thought I'd share it with you. Fits very nicely right there on my right hand ring finger. Looks very casual, very plain. But if you look at it, something quite unique about it. Check that out. This is what is called a cat's eye ring, or at least that's the name that it was sold under when I bought it. It's got some rather unique features here that may prove useful to some people. Might be a nice accessory to have on your person if you were traveling through less than savory areas, so to speak. And the nice thing is it's very comfortable, fits very well, but it can be rotated around just like that, and it looks very plain to the common person passing by, and you cannot feel that on the inside of your hand when you're making a fist. And again, within about a second, you could spin that around. Might prove useful in certain circumstances. It's not very often that you find a fashion accessory like this that is quite this useful, if you ask me. So here you go. This is a close-up of what it looks like. Appears to be made out of some type of steel. Very plain. I'm not exactly sure how well it will hold up over time or if that chrome finish will wear off. Not exactly sure. But for the whopping $3 US that I paid for it, don't really care, to be honest with you. Again, very easy to slip on. Close your hand. Don't feel that on the inside. Looks pretty nice. So that's it. I just thought I'd share that with you today. Maybe you find this information useful. If you do, well, you know I'd appreciate that thumbs up like. And maybe, just maybe, I'll see you on the next video. If you enjoy videos about the randomness of our amazing world, consider clicking on the globe to subscribe. Or maybe checking out one of the other videos right here.